Welcome to Thailand, a land of contrasts, where vibrant street markets meet serene temples and the crystal-clear waters kiss golden sandy beaches. Whether you're looking for an adrenaline rush or a peaceful retreat, Thailand has something for every type of traveler. Thailand is a paradise for all types of travelers. From bustling cities filled with street food and markets, to tranquil islands where you can unwind under the sun. The country offers a truly diverse experience. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, culture, or a mix of it all, here's your ultimate guide to exploring Thailand's best. If you're an adventure seeker, Thailand is your playground. The lush jungles of northern Thailand offer opportunities for trekking and ziplining through forests full of life. Hike the mountains to get awe-inspiring views of lush valleys, or head to hidden waterfalls to take a dip in their cool, clear waters. And let's not forget about island hopping. Thailand's islands like Koh Samui and Koh Lanta offer pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and dramatic cliffs to explore. After an adventure-filled day, Thailand offers the perfect place to find inner peace. Explore the country's beautiful temples, like Wat Arun in Bangkok and Doi Suthep in Chiang Mai, where you can experience the serenity of Buddhist spirituality. If it's relaxation you're after, Thailand's idyllic beaches like Koh Samui or Krabi are perfect for unwinding. And don't forget to indulge in Thai wellness. Enjoy a traditional Thai massage or unwind at a peaceful yoga retreat. Thailand truly offers balance for both body and mind. Thailand is a foodie's dream come true. Street food is the heart and soul of Thai cuisine, and no trip is complete without sampling dishes like pad Thai, mango sticky rice, and grilled satay. Each region of Thailand offers something special, from spicy southern curries to fresh seafood from the coast. And for those who want to dive deeper into the flavors, join a cooking class and learn how to create these delicious dishes yourself. Before you go, here are some tips for planning your Thailand trip. First, check the visa requirements for your country. Thailand is easy to navigate and getting around is affordable. Use the local public transportation system in cities, but don't miss out on iconic tuk-tuks or motorcycle taxis for short trips. As for accommodation, there's something for every budget, whether you're looking for a luxury resort or a cozy guest house. Plan ahead to make sure your Thailand experience is seamless and unforgettable. Thailand is not just a destination, it's an experience that will stay with you forever. Whether you're exploring hidden jungles, relaxing on stunning beaches, or diving into the flavors of Thai cuisine, there's something for every type of traveler. So create your own Thailand bucket list and make unforgettable memories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. Share your thoughts below. What's on your Thailand bucket list?